Both hands up if you're trying to turn up, or if you're having some fun. We glowing like the sun. You're watching Balikbayan.
What's up, Balikbayan fam? How's everyone's day doing? Comment down below, let me know. I am so excited to be filming this video for you guys today. I'm going to be tinting my taillights on my car. I still haven't decided if I'm going to take my taillights out. I think I may have to because it's not a flat surface. So a little bit more difficult to play with the tint. I'm super excited to be showing you guys this side to me where I do little DIY projects on my vehicle. Or if there's anything that you can recommend that you're going to see later on in this video that I do wrong, please correct me. Let me know so I know for next time. Aside from that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, guys, because we're on our way to 200 and I know we can get there. Let's do like by the end of July. We were supposed to hit the end of June, but there wasn't much activity, so I am sorry. On my end, I miss you guys. I'm so excited to film. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so these are the tools that I'm using. The X-Acto knife, which I'm going to use to kind of cut that and around the edges, whatever. This is the film. This is the heat gun, and then this is the tape that I'm going to put around my lens, like around the lights, and my squeegee. What's up, guys? So I'm going to be tinting the taillights here. So I fucked up for sure. I gotta do it again, but I'm out. Like, this part's really difficult to get. As you guys can see earlier on in the video, you saw that I attempted to tint my taillights with the taillights on the car. So I figured, okay, you know what, scratch that. I'm gonna take it out, see if this is a little easier. So I had to order more because the one roll of it, I was only able to really get the lower parts where my signals are. I just like ruined everything. It's the Vivid Air Tint. So it looks like this. I had gone ahead and removed my tail light. So we're gonna tint it here. So let's hope that works out in my favor. If not, I'm just going to stop, reevaluate, just take my time, do it bit by bit, and hopefully it goes well. Hopefully I can get it right this time. I'm going to switch positions and I'm going to sit over here so you guys can see the entire process. And let's get into it. You obviously want to clean your tail light to make sure this doesn't have any dirt on it, so it is clean, ready to go. Okay, so in the roll they actually have this. Okay, this is actually gonna help me. I wish I didn't throw it away last. So the one thing that I made a mistake on last time was I kind of just jumped the gun. I didn't really think about how. Did I scratch that? Not good. Do not scratch your wrap. I didn't really think about how to position it. I didn't think that far ahead. Not gonna lie, I was pretty careless about it. So I think now, like, knowing my mistakes from last time, hopefully I don't repeat it again. So you wanna make sure that you're getting just enough. Like, I would even recommend doing it a little more than what you have, just so that you have a little bit more to play with. So I'm just gonna do this. So I ended up messing up the next few tries that I had done, so the next clip you're gonna see is my final attempt, and that, thank God, worked for me. One thing, guys, don't get any fingerprints on the film itself.
This one is good.
Okay.
Oh, that.
Huh?
What's that?
This we can stretch.
Okay.
This is solid.
look. I mean, this is my first time. You could see there is a little bit of, unfortunately. But so far, honestly guys, I'm super happy with the results. I'm totally okay with this and content with this. So I'm just gonna go around and I'm just going to heat up the edges just so that we can seal it all in. Alright guys, so I finished the first lens. I'm really proud of myself. I think this is a really bomb job. I mean, you know, despite this little minor inconvenience at the top, it's okay. I feel like overall, I did an amazing job. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead and work on the second one, and I'll be back with the end result. Alright guys, so I just finished the second one. This one took me a little longer because I got a little frustrated, not gonna lie. And now we're just gonna go put this on to my car.